Want to fix product activation failed in Microsoft Word? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix product activation failed in Microsoft Word. Now, if you're getting this error message, then all you want to do is head over to your File Explorer. Then you want to click on the C drive. Here, you want to click on Program Files, then find Microsoft Office. If you do not find it in the first Program Files folder, then head back and select the second Program Files. Here, click on Microsoft Office. Now, once you get here, you want to find the option of OSPP-VR. Now, you want to run this as administrator for 3 times. So go ahead and right-click. This menu will appear, select Run as Administrator. Now you want to follow the same step 2 more times. Once you have done it for 3 times, now this issue will be fixed. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.